What's the meaning of attenuated? Attenuated. Attenuated.
Attenuated. Attenuated. Attenuated refers to something that has been reduced in strength, intensity, or effectiveness. When something is attenuated, it has been weakened or diminished in some way. This term is often used in the fields of medicine and biology to refer to viruses or bacteria that have been weakened so that they can be used in vaccines. By attenuating a virus or bacteria, it can be used to stimulate the immune system without causing serious illness. Overall, attenuation is a process of reducing the potency or power of something, often for a specific purpose or application.